What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove friends on Snapchat. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on Snapchat. After going to a Snapchat, you have to click on this chat icon. Then you have to find the friend that you want to unfriend or you want to remove from your friend list. I'm going to do to this person. So after going to their chat, what you need to do, you have to click on their profile just like this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can remove your friends on Snapchat. After doing so, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner, just like this. Then what you need to do, you have to click on manage friendship option here. After clicking on manage friendship, you can see here is a bunch of options. So what you need to do, you have to click on remove friend just like this. Then if you click on remove, the guy will be unfriend from your Snapchat. So if you click on remove this your friend will be removed from your Snapchat. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.